Ever find yourself frustrated with pests ruining your beautiful garden? It's a common dilemma, dealing with invaders like aphids, beetles, or caterpillars munching on your precious plants. The damage can be disheartening. But before you reach for those chemical sprays, have you considered organic solutions? Organic pest control methods are not only effective, but they are also safe for you, your plants, and the environment. Let's delve into some of these methods. Firstly, we have beneficial insects. These are the good guys in your garden, the superheroes, if you will, that prey on the pests. Ladybugs, lacewings, and certain types of wasps are examples of insects that can help control the pest population. You can attract these beneficial insects by planting flowers or herbs that they love. Next, consider homemade sprays. Simple concoctions made from ingredients like garlic, chili pepper, or even dish soap can deter pests. For instance, a spray made from a blend of garlic and water can be a potent deterrent against many types of insects. Lastly, barriers can also be an effective method. Think of it as setting up a fortress to protect your plants. This could be as simple as a layer of crushed eggshells around your plants to ward off slugs and snails, or using netting to protect your fruit trees from birds. Remember, patience is key. Organic methods may take a little longer to show results, but they are worth the wait. So why not give these organic pest control methods a try? They're not just kind to the environment, they're also easy to implement and can make your garden thrive like never before. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your plants grow and flourish, all while knowing you're doing your part for Mother Earth. So let's get those green thumbs working. Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.